So this is another example of a shell taken from fresh water, and it's commonly called as ginukan. You just boil it for a while, then add some salt or salted fish and calamansi. That will do. Nice ulam. This is ginukan, another Ilocano food. A freshwater shell. I repeat, this is ginukan. Yeah, and this is now the ginukan already cooked and ready to eat. What's missing here is yung seasoning, salt, and then of course it needs fresh calamansi. Ginukan ready to eat.